Hey guys, this is Ryan at Texsource. So I spent the day at Saati to really get to know the laser to screen system and to tackle a huge project for Texsource that involved degreasing, coding, and imaging 100 screens. I expected this to be a 2-day project because it was only myself and our Saati sales rep working, but little did I know we would zoom through these 100 screens with them being perfectly coated with extremely crisp detail, all less than an 8-hour day. Here's how it went.
Hello, I'm Bruce Mason with Saati Americas, print division. Here today, giving a few pointers on our laser to screen. This unit is our LTS 6080B. It'll do 1 or 2 2331s or other sizes in a 23.5 by 40 print area.
So this trip quickly turned from learning about laser to screen system to realizing how important a completely automated print shop can be.
You got your squeegee side and your print side. If you want to change it, you just click on it. If you want to do 3 on the squeegee side and 2 on the print side, you're all set. Okay, today we're doing with PHUMT, we're doing 1 and 1. It's a high solids. We're doing on a 160. Now we do have adjustments for the speed going up, the speed coming down. And there's all adjustments on the delay coming in, going up, coding, up, delay there, and then coming back after the scrape off. So all those are adjustable. Usually once you have it set, you're done. The only thing is, I find that for 230 and above, sometimes I'll do 2 and 1. You always want to finish up with the higher number on the squeegee side. The way the coder works, there's 2 troughs. The squeegee side trough is lower than the print side trough, so you're always pushing the emulsion through to the print side because that's where you want your stencil.
Now this unit was pretty cool, and I've worked with a few different auto and semi-auto coders before, with most of them being single unit coders. But this dual coder by Saati definitely caught my attention, and even more so verified my thought on why it is so important for automation in shops and the consistency we had in all of our screens.
So I'm going to hit the left side block, push it all the way against it, and have a little angle up on the right side. All the way, you got to push it all the way to the back, right? And then just push it in. Enables you to set up your presses quicker, saves time. This goes directly from your computer to imaging and exposing the screens with laser diodes. They'll go back and forth everywhere where the image is. The lights will go off. Everywhere where the emulsion needs to be hard, the light stays on. Ease of use is your art is in a 1-bit TIFF file. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the art and drag it over. And what we're doing is we're placing it right into the net frame, so it's set up to go in the position that you're currently doing your artwork and lining up to get on your press. You can see where the image is, where it remains dark. Exposure is based off of speed and the intensity of the laser. Different mesh counts will have different exposure, just like with film or any other kind of direct screen. And that's some of the things we do. We preset it when we get to your place to lock in the correct exposure.
So in conclusion, it was a really great day working at Saati with all their pre-pressed automated equipment. Between the 2 of us, we were able to knock out 100 screens from start to finish. All the equipment that I used was awesome. I got consistently coated screens every time from the automated coder, 25-minute drying times in the drying cabinet, and the laser to screen system was on another planet with how well it performed. So a completely automated shop is the way of the future, especially in the pre-press side of screen printing, because it takes away all user errors, and more importantly, the equipment always shows up on time for work. I know the initial costs on these units can be daunting, but it's worth it in the long run and they pay for themselves over time.